All right, so after I establish that, the next thing I usually do is I take the door, and the door comes with stops, and these are stops, and these are pre-mounted on the door when you get a pre-hung door from Baird Brothers. And I remove these stops. I take them off, and what I do is I drill holes in the jamb all the way down behind the stop. And I countersink them, and I take screws, and then I'll screw my frame to the wood stud behind. And the reason why is I won't have a lot of nasty nail holes in it.
And that's where I was going. I had two trains of thought while you were explaining that. Number one, typically you'll see a nail out on this edge and to this edge.
Right.
Okay, so you've concealed that, number one. Number two, going back to the weight of this door.
Correct.
Now, it's an 1 3/4 door. I'm looking at 4-inch hinges, okay? But those hinges are only as good as how they're fastened to the door, to the jamb, and the jamb to the wall.
Yeah, on the heavier doors, we use ball bearing hinges, and it makes the door just work a lot smoother. You want to make sure you get a good quality hinge when you're hanging these doors too. Because of the weight of them, you want it to not bend or twist.